Liberia was and the effort it has made to get to maybe step one step less to X. So if it was supposed, probably to make it more graphic, if the goal was to get to 10 minutes, right, and Liberia has gone as far as Tubman Boulevard, the empty does not show how Liberia moved from West Point to Pennsylvania, how much resources it put. Because for Liberia, in 2003, when Liberia adopted the MPG, there was still in war. Things were not stable. So you cannot, that is how it is, but to be fair to the government and the resources they have put into it, the MPG does not show your progression.